Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
What is going on, guys? It's Ventilation Reverse, aka ePanda, here with the Grinch 13, aka Ventilation Paradox. And today, if you haven't seen our last video, Avalanche, we're doing the new Avalanche Special Edition 2.0. And yeah, let's get right into it.
Start with me.
Okay, resume in 3, 2.
Two.
So what is this? So, whoa, I am zooming.
We just like. Oh, that just okay. Okay, it's a long way. This
checkpoint.
You wanna rock and roll?
Oh my god.
And it's a long way. If you wanna rock and roll.
Shit, it's the one.
We're not all right. If you saw our last video, we used like quads and stuff to help us get up. Yeah, I don't think we should be allowed to do this one because it's a little bit easier.
Yeah, this one is the easier version of them, of the two. Doesn't mean it's easy, but it's the easier version. Oh,
because you have like a path that you're actually supposed to follow.
It's like an advanced version.
Foot boost right here. All right.
Oh, I got it. Okay, I will wait for you. Okay, so Paradox is here.
Boom.
I gotta go through here, I guess. Oh my.
Oh, I thought you were gonna like die if you hit the wall. Oh, is that there's levels? Wait, what?
Yeah, you have to go straight across into the door. Across. You have to go
straight across.
Watch out! Go to the other door. Go to the other door.
Oh, you have to run across. Oh, I thought you had to like. Okay. Seems easy enough.
Yeah, this part's pretty easy.
Oh my gosh.
We're in, boys. Oh my. Oh,
alright, we're heading up. We got this.
Oh, hit the little air vents. Don't hit the thing that slows you down though. I hit that and it slowed me down. Oh my gosh, I can't even run.
I'm here and I'm not slowed.
Oh my, I just got nailed.
I just saw that.
Oh, I just got nailed.
Alright, I made it. I'll wait for you. Up here at the top. Oh,
Okay,
never mind. There's a air vent. Alright.
Okay, this one you have to like go down. Oh my, it just keeps on launching me back to where I originally was.
Made it.
Oh my, you scared me. There's a dropper, you don't have any fall damage though.
Oh, I mean, that's good. I don't want to die.
Normal path advance. You know, let's go advance. No, I'm not going advanced.
No, we should totally go.
Okay, let's go advanced.
I feel like we should go advanced.
Oh, it's got slides. Oh my goodness. I would have beat it, but I hit the wrong part of the wall.
So should we do the advanced or no?
Yes. Oh, there's vehicles here. Just waiting. Yeah, I'm going advanced.
No, I keep on failing it. No.
What am I supposed to do?
I've never done any of these sliding things before.
Yeah,
I'm just going easy. I'm going easy.
I'm doing advanced. Gotta have good content, right?
Well,
Can't always succeed.
I guess. Sure. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go. Oh, right here. Okay.
It's not even that advanced, that's the thing.
Oh, wait, where am I supposed to go? Oh, okay.
Oh my.
Alright, I'm almost up to the top.
Oh my. Bro, it's literally just back at. Oh, thank you.
Oh, hey, I see you!
I literally just go to the beginner's path. Oh.
Oh!
All the way to the bottom.
My gosh. Wait, here, I'm just gonna drop in because I got a checkpoint up top, so.
You got a checkpoint?
I got knocked all the way up.
I'm coming. Hold on. I am on my way. Oh, I just got iced. That just sent me all the way to the bottom.
Wait, do you not get any checkpoints?
I've hit some. I just followed all the way to the bottom.
Hey, I see you!
I'm coming.
You should just hop onto the easy path.
Easy path is easy though.
Hey, Evan.
No. Is this the finish line?
Nope, we still have more.
That's not the finish line? What is this?
No. Oh, it's like a dropper!
Oh, we have to go through here. Little doorway.
Where?
Come to where I'm at? This is it. Oh, there's the coin! There's the coin! We gotta jump on these on top of the walls.
Oh, it's not letting me jump, there's too many.
There's so many. Oh my gosh.
There's too many, it's not letting me jump. Oh.
I got it.
Yes! We did it!
Oh yeah.
Well, you did it, but we did it!
Okay guys, so we just finished up Avalanche Special Edition, and now we're gonna do the pickaxe Grand Prix. I've tried this once, and it's pretty hard. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm hoping I'll win. I mean, that's what everybody says. But
I'm not sure. I mean, I've done this once as well. It was kind of difficult.
You do have smoke bombs and boogie bombs, so it's like...
Yeah, you better not throw any of those boogies at me. Wow, very nice. Very nice.
Can you even see anything?
No, I can't see anything.
Or I'm literally just flying through this somehow.
I call rematch. Once you, if you beat
Yeah,
it.
we'll do best out of 3.
Yeah, I'm catching back up though.
Are you though?
I was. Just so I thought. No, that was...
Oh, that's gotta be new personal best. There's no way, that was not.
Oh my gosh. Alright, I say no throwing things this run.
Okay, no, just a straight
Pure
path.
skill.
Pure
This
skill,
is pure
okay.
skill.
You see, I need those boogie bombs for smoke grenades.
Come on, game. Come on, game. Start game.
Okay, here
Alright.
we go.
No, I got stuck. No, I got stuck again. Come on,
Same here.
stuck.
No! I got caught. Still very much in this. Now I'm just choking. Oh, I'm really just choking this.
You're gonna beat me.
Am I though?
Yep, you beat me. Yeah, you are. Yep, you beat me.
I have that boogie
Oh,
music
I'm
and I
sad.
can cross finish. Here, we'll do
I'm
one
sad.
more. This is your last chance. This one is the one for the bucks. This is the one that you need to win. No boogie bombs, no smoke grenades, pure skill. This determines the winner.
But did you see my skill on the last one? It was quite bad. I was really far behind.
That's good, that's good.
It's
I
not
think
okay.
you can win this. Bro, these first pickaxes, they're easy. It's so hard. Oh my gosh. I got caught. I got caught.
I did too.
This is literally total. Oh, I can't. Oh my gosh.
No, I got caught. No.
Think.
No, you beat me again. Come on, man.
It's okay. I was already at the end, so that's not you. Oh, crap. You're actually catching up. Here, do one more.
One.
This really determines the winner.
Okay. One more. One more. One more is what he says. One more.
One more. Just one more.
Just one more is what he says.
Yep, just one.
Just one more.
Just one. Okay, here we go. Wait, what? Oh, you can't.
You're probably still farther ahead of me right now. Oh my god.
And somehow it didn't.
Did it like not affect you whatsoever?
No, the wave on didn't do anything. This is 100% a new high score.
Yeah, this game's over.
100%. This is a new high score. I'm just hoping for a high score.
I'm just gonna default dance in my corner.
Bro, I'm literally having connection time right now.
No, you're not.
Oh.
No, you're not.
What's the score? 43, please? 43?
42.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that is it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.